Most people think AI saves time and makes everything easier. That sounds true, but something else is happening. AI is not removing work. It is multiplying decisions. Every time you use AI, you are forced to choose. Which output is better? Which version to use? What to change? What to keep? This creates a hidden problem. Instead of doing less work, you start making more decisions. And decisions cost energy. This is why many people feel more tired using AI. Not because AI is bad, but because it increases cognitive load. Beginners don't notice this. They think they are being productive, but in reality, they are just switching between options. Professionals solve this differently. They reduce decisions. They don't generate endless outputs. They define constraints. They guide the AI toward a specific result. Instead of asking for many options, they design one clear path. This changes everything. Fewer choices, less noise, more clarity. AI becomes faster, not because it changed, but because the system around it changed. AI doesn't slow you down by itself. It slows you down when you don't control the process. And that is the real problem most people never see.